In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for academic writing. This is a helpful way to generate structured content for essays, reports, and research topics. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help with academic writing. For example, I might type, "Write an academic essay about the impact of climate change on agriculture." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a structured response, usually including an introduction, main arguments, and a conclusion. If I want better results, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the topic, word count, or writing style. For example, I might type, "Write a 1,000-word academic essay with references about climate change and agriculture." Claude can also help with outlines, summaries, and improving existing drafts. If I already have content, I can paste it into the message box and ask Claude to refine or improve the writing. Once the writing is ready, I can copy the text and review or edit it before using it for academic purposes. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for academic writing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.